So it's 7:19 p.m. October 19, 2019. Saturday. Started at 7 p.m. Stopped at 3 a.m. this morning.
Honey, I don't believe it. You're eating Lay's again, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
It sucks.
So you're eating Lay's. See? It's yours. It's your mouth.
See?